Welcome to Coweta County, where families make memories and there's always something new to explore. Filled with opportunities to run, jump, climb, and play, parents will enjoy these activities just as much as the kids. Start your adventure at C.J. Smith Park. Georgia's largest skate park pump track combo is home to over 30,000 square feet of rideable terrain, complemented by playgrounds, a splash pad, and even slides fit for adults. For high-speed thrills, don't miss Sonoy Raceway. Come play in the clay at Georgia's fastest 3/8-mile high-banked dirt oval track. Bring the whole family and enjoy the excitement under the lights. If a weekend getaway is what you are looking for, head out to Chattahoochee Bend State Park. Encompassing nearly 3,000 acres with 5 miles of Chattahoochee River frontage, Chat Bend is a naturalist's haven with hiking trails, kayak ramps, camping, cabins, and playgrounds. And for down-home charm, visit Whitley Farms. This family-run farm is nestled in the heart of Coweta County, where the pace is slow, the berries are sweet, and the flowers are in full bloom. Stroll colorful fields, grab some fresh produce, and say hello to local celebrities, Curly and his son Junior. Whether you're after outdoors, entertainment, family bonding, or farm fun, Coweta's got you covered. For more ideas on how to discover your curious, visit explorenewnan-coweta.com.